Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Wonderfeel NMN Capsules, a supplement marketed for energy, anti-aging, and cellular repair. NMN is known for supporting NAD plus production, which is linked to vitality and longevity. After consistent use, we notice better overall energy levels, less fatigue in the afternoons, and a small improvement in focus. The pros are that Wonderfeel's capsules are cleanly formulated, third party tested, and easy to take. They contain a clinically relevant dosage, which isn't always the case with NMN brands. On the con side, the price is quite high compared to other NMN supplements, and while benefits are noticeable, they're subtle and built over time. It's not a miracle anti aging pill, so expectations should be realistic. Overall, Wonderfeel NMN capsules are high quality and effective for long term health support, but the cost might be a drawback for some. This has been How to Really Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.